Hello. In this video I want to show you the basics of creating a voiceover solution. I've already showed you many of the features and procedures for adding narration to your videos, and now I will show you more. Narration and subtitles are separate sections within the topic. Sometimes you don't need subtitles, but sometimes you do. Also, the narration section is based on a phonetic representation of the speech, and the subtitle is a visual representation of the spoken text. If you do not need subtitles in your solution, you can hide them, but you must leave the sections in place. To hide the narration or subtitle sections, first expose the VoiceOver toolbar by clicking on the Add-ins tab, and then click the checkbox to hide or show the sections. Got it? I hope so, because we are moving forward anyway. You'll be surprised how you need to spell some things to get them to be pronounced correctly. And it's one of those things that you just need to play with to learn what it is you need to do. One other major point is that each voice is different. So what works for one voice may not work for another. Allow me to show you a couple of quick examples using my voice. First, I will pronounce it wrong, but exactly as it is spelled. And then I will pronounce it correctly, but using misspelled words. The point is to demonstrate the phonetic translation feature of the VoiceOver speech sequencer. Sometimes things aren't very straightforward. Please close the toolbar. Allow me to demonstrate. The VoiceOver speech sequencer is based on Microsoft Speech API and the .NET framework. VoiceOver is also based on Steinberg's Vista plugin architecture. The VoiceOver speech sequencer is based on Microsoft Speech API and the .NET framework. VoiceOver is also based on Steinberg's VST plugin architecture. Sometimes it's necessary to copy from one place and paste somewhere else. All you need to remember is to use the VoiceOver toolbar to add and delete tracks and topics. Otherwise, remember that each topic should have a narration and a subtitle section, even if you do not plan to use the subtitles in a video. Let me give you a quick example of how to copy from the narration section and then paste into the subtitle section. First, select the text from the narration section, then paste it into the subtitle section. Now, you probably noticed that the style became the narration style, instead of the subtitle style which we ultimately need. So select the text that you just pasted. Then change the style by first clicking on the button to display the styles window. Then, select the VoiceOver subtitles from the list of document styles. Okay, now you're good to go. Sometimes you want to print or publish the VoiceOver document that you have created for distribution. Here are a few easy steps to demonstrate the process. First, open the document that you want to print. Next, hide the sections that you don't want to print. Usually you will want to see the subtitles, but want to hide the narration sections. Click the narration button on the VoiceOver toolbar to remove the check next to the button. This will hide all the narration sections. Next, click the Copy for Publishing button from the VoiceOver toolbar. This should create a new document which is ready for printing or distribution. That's it. We are finished with our lesson on creating VoiceOver solutions. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.